With an increase in guide dogs and handlers having to deal with distractions from off-lead dogs and even uncontrolled dogs on lead, I figured we should get some etiquette tips from guide dogs trainer Cassie, thanks to NextGuard Spectra. Cassie, what are some of the key issues that handlers are having to deal with?
Guide dog handlers and their dogs face distractions from pet dogs every day. So often we'll have off-lead dogs running up to the guide dogs. Some pet dog owners will let their dogs approach a guide dog handler and their dog, and they may mean well, but if they don't make themselves known, it can be really startling for the handler and their dog.
I bet. And it can become dangerous as well for both the handler and the dog, can't it?
Yeah, these situations can become dangerous. It can be disorientating for the handler and it can make them feel stressful and anxious. And in extreme cases, our guide dogs have been known to become attacked by pet dogs, which of course causes harm to the dog and is a distressing event for all involved.
And there was some research that showed that some handlers have become so nervous they've even changed their patterns or where they go.
Yeah, they will often avoid certain areas after a negative experience or change their routes, which can again be stressful for them and just unnecessary.
So what should people that are dog owners or in general be doing when they see a handler with their guide dog?
Yeah, so a few tips. First of all, to keep your dog on lead at all times unless they're in a designated off-leash area, and to keep your leash short so that you are able to manage your dog and prevent them from jumping or contacting passers-by. If you do choose to approach a handler and their guide dog, try to make yourself known and approach the handler directly instead of trying to interact with the guide dog. Another tip feeding on from that is to not distract the guide dog, so don't try to pat it, feed it, whistle at it, as hard as it is, because they are obviously beautiful. That can really, impact their work and their concentration and lead the handler into unsafe territory, so try to avoid that. Prevent your dog from barking at other dogs or people. Try to regain your dog's concentration and reward them for not barking at other people in the environment. Always ask other people in the general public before approaching their dog with your dog, which is an important lesson to teach children as well.
Absolutely, and I think a lot of these apply to anyone with dogs out in public, and also working on your recall is another big one too, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Cassie.
No worries, thank you.
Learn more about Guide Dogs Australia on their website and check out their key petiquette, that's etiquette for your pet tips, on the Pooches at Play website.